Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button on your remote and then use the arrow buttons to navigate to the left until you get to Settings. Then tap OK to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap on General. Then select System Manager. Tap Language and then choose the language that you would like to change to by tapping on it. Your TV will immediately change into the language that you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.